Continuation for the photo reductions. So in the previous class, we saw already what is photo reduction of carbonyl compounds. So the carbonyl compounds in presence of light and a hydrogen donor. So the carbonyl compounds are converted into phenols and diols, aldiols, and carbonyl compounds and mixed phenols and alcohols also, right? So what are the applications of the photo reductions of carbonyl compounds? Generally, many exceptions are there in photochemical reactions. Photochemical reactions of carbonyl compounds, means in photo reductions, many exceptions are there. So observe the first application here. Observe the first application here. See, here carbonyl functional group is present here. Carbonyl functional group is present here. So with respect to this group, this position is ortho position. And ortho position, CH3 group is present. Yes or no? So if this type of compounds are present, that means a benzene ring with ortho substitution, CH bond is present. Instead of it undergo photo reduction, it will undergo photoenolization. Photoenolization. What is photoenolization means? See just. First what will happen? The molecule is in ground state. This molecule is in ground state. The molecule is irradiated with the sunlight. It goes to excited state. At excited state, it is reacting with hydrogen donor. And what is the product we will get? See here. Breaking of this bond. Breaking of this one of the pi bond of the carbonyl group. Therefore, radical. This moiety remains safe. And here, this CH3 group, I am writing CH2 hydrogen like this. CH2 hydrogen like this. And this is now next. Hydrogen donor it is there. Any hydrogen donor you take. From hydrogen donor it will take, suppose I am taking alcohol here. By breaking up here or otherwise this one. So this hydrogen transferred to this hydrogen transferred to this place. Okay. And simultaneously this pi bond and this hydrogen bond breaking takes place. Now what is the product here? By breaking of this bond, two radicals, hydrogen abstraction OH, phenyl group, and here radical and CH2 and CH2. Okay, by breaking of this. Now this is recombining this radical and this radical is also one radical. This radical combining, it forms a pi bond. And this radical combines. Therefore, we can return this one as, this group is phenyl group now, OH, and another one are CH. This is the thing. Now see here, why it is called as enolization means this is or, this is in plus or. Enol or not? Under which conditions? Under photochemical conditions it is giving enol. So that's why this type of reactions are called as photoenolization. This is an exception. This is an exception for the photo reduction. When it will undergo photoenolization, the ortho CH functional group is available. Here ortho CH functional group is available or not? This bond breaking, and therefore it will rearranges like this, E and O, enol, right? This is the first application for the photo reduction of carbonyl compound. Next, second example. See, generally, this is undergoing a simple coupling reaction. What is the product here? What is the simple? 1,2 diols. By breaking of one of the pi bond, it produces two radicals and abstract. This is hydrogen donor, right? This is hydrogen donor. From this one, it is abstracting one radical. Therefore, what is the product here? Right. By abstracting hydrogen radical by this oxygen group, OH and this. These two type of radicals are combining. It produces 2H. Chemicals are not 1,2 diodes. 1,2 diodes. This is a photo reduction. Here, what is the hydrogen donor here? NN dimethyl phenyl. Okay, so another phenyl aniline. NN dimethyl phenyl aniline. Aniline or not? On aniline, 2 hydrogens are replaced with 2 methyl groups under photochemical condition. This is the second application. Next, third one. This is also an exception. This is an also exception. Where we call whenever the 2 carbonyl groups are present adjacent in a single molecule, instead of it undergoing photoreduction, therefore it will undergo only one carbonyl group only undergo reduction. Simple reduction it will undergo. So here there is no photoreduction. That means there is no diol formation. 1,2 diol formation. One of the carbonyl group is breaking like this. From this one, hydrogen donor. This is from this one it abstract. From this one it is abstracting one hydrogen and one radical and one radical. Next, one more hydrogen abstracting from this hydrogen donor. That hydrogen is attacking to this place, this radical. Simple reduction. This is a simple reduction. Carbonyl group is converted into alcohol. This is a simple reduction. Similarly, this carbonyl group is also undergoing the same. Therefore, mixture of products we will get. This carbonyl will not want this stuff and like this. This one and this one. What is the rule here? Whenever 2 carbonyl groups are present at the adjacent side, therefore there is no chance of photoreduction. That means the 1,2 diols are not formed. Instead of 1,2 diols, simple reduction. Simply carbonyl compound is converted to alcohol here and here. Here also alcohol or not? Alcohol and alcohol, right? Next, one more example. See, here also 2 carbonyl compounds are present at adjacent side or not? Here also see, here this carbonyl group and adjacent alpha position, this is also carbonyl group. Therefore, instead of undergoing photoreduction, it will give disproportionation reaction. See here, this is hydrogen donor. This is hydrogen donor. Now, first initially what will happen now? By breaking of this pi bond, it produces here one radical and oxygen here. From hydrogen donor, this is toluene, no? So toluene means this is the actual structure. CH2 hydrogen. So by breaking of this bond, here radical, this hydrogen is abstracted by this. Therefore, what is the product? We will get here? Here also one radical is there, no? This radical and this part, this total part, and this radical is combining. Therefore, here CH2 BH, this is one product. This is one product. Plus, this is one product. Plus, from this one, this is rearranges to see here. By breaking of this pi bond and this pi bond, here we will get like this abstraction of this OH and OCH2. This is also another product. How it is obtained? Means here by breaking of this pi bond and this pi bond, so it produces 1, 2, 1, 2. This radical and this radical is combining. Here this pi bond is formed. And now here oxygen radical is there, no? This oxygen radical is abstracted this part. Now oxygen radical and this part, it is giving this one. And next here from one more hydrogen donor, this radical is combining with hydrogen, we will get that. Right? So these are the very few applications of photoreductions of carbonyl compounds. Next, intramolecular photoreduction. Next, continuation for the photoreduction. Now in this case, intramolecular photoreduction. Intra means within the molecule. Inter means between the molecules. Here, intramolecular. That means within the molecule, photoreduction is undergoing. That type of reactions are called as intramolecular photoreductions in presence of light. Okay. See here how the intramolecular reductions will undergo. See, with respect to this carbon, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and epsilon. Here one hydrogen is there or not? This is CH2 group. That means two hydrogens are present or not? So one hydrogen is existing. In presence of sunlight, one pi bond is breaking. It produces two radicals. Here also this hydrogen radical is breaking, and this bond produces two radicals. Yes or no? Now the transfer of this hydrogen to this carbonate oxygen. Now what we will get? What is the product we will get? Okay, OH. Now the radical is like this only. Here also one radical. Now this radical and this radical combining. Now ring fusion takes place. What we will get? Yes, no? New sigma bond is formed or not? This radical and this radical combining, and OH. Now ring fusion takes place. Now the stereochemistry is important here. Predominantly the cis product is formed compared to so one is above the bond, one is beta bond, one is alpha bond. This is trans product. This one cis product. This is cis product and this is trans product. In this one, which one is major means cis product is major. This is intramolecular. Within the molecule, reduction of the carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compounds reduction means alcohols we will get. Internally the hydrogen transfer takes place. Okay. Similarly, these type of examples also we can see now. Now see here carbonyl group here. Now here hydrogen is there. Or not? By breaking of this hydrogen, it produces two radicals. Pi bond of carbonyl function is also breaking. It produces two bonds. So here what will happen? Transfer of hydrogen radical to this carbonate oxygen. What we will get? Observe carefully here. One radical, and this hydrogen is transferred to oxygen. Here also one radical. Now this radical and this radical combining, it forms one sigma bond. This radical and this radical combining, OH, CH and PH. Cyclization. Here also, see, initially carbonyl group is there. Carbonyl group is converted to alcohol. Within the molecule, photoreduction is happened or not? That's why it is an example for the intramolecular photoreduction. Here also same. Simply here CH3 functional group is present. Now I can write this one CH2 hydrogen. I will write CH2 hydrogen. Now see, by breaking of this bond, two radicals, CH2 radical and a hydrogen radical. Pi bond of carbonyl function, and like this. Now the transfer of this hydrogen radical to oxygen by transferring like this. Okay. So now CH2 radical, OH, and the PH is also one radical. Now this radical and this radical combining, it forms a one sigma bond. CH2. This is also a intramolecular photoreduction. Now you will do for this one. For this example, you do what here? Here CH3 functional group is present. CH2 hydrogen. I can write CH3 as CH2 hydrogen. Here carbonyl group is there. Yes or no? The carbonyl group is there. Therefore, pi bond of carbonyl group is breaking. Here, two radicals are producing. By breaking of this one, now internally this hydrogen radical is transferred to carbonyl oxygen. This hydrogen is transferred to carbonyl oxygen, and after that, the bond between CH2 radical and carbonyl carbon radical bond formation takes place. Directly I am writing the product. Already you saw the example for 3, same manner. So this reaction also will undergo. Unit okay. So you will also get the same time product or not? Right. This is about the photoreductions, intramolecular photoreductions, and the remaining exceptions also we discussed. Okay. So right.